Sito inasabangan tangsa wusam na mesomito. So bangan tangsa wunso. Muna mesomito tutimona bonsieto musoba yena. Sieto musoba yena. Bima betu mwesi kese mazono. Serviça e mal makala bonsi kumazono no me kamamo mankebo babingi vavanga vomambo ma katsika pena mwana yakala masiko wanata muntu akakamuvumo kyandi ndavaza viba
oh hapaka bantu bole menzambi ligokena fweti yanga la umbelolo na munjadulu zabu Kemo kwa yahandi Sudiang kenchut, sudiang zambi Tutanga beto kuna kuma Kongo Bungong keto leana falanga piamioto Fulame hologo Yeah Kemo kwa mfumo Panamboka Kunana roto emuko Muta Mfumure Kayo yo yo Tubutukanga Ganayo, je vous entends pas.
Tubutukanga.
Est-ce que là-haut, est-ce qu'il y a des gens là-bas? Mais si.
Tubutukanga.
Debelo mame, olo zanken togo.
Tubutukanga.
Ngarale maloro, lele obolongo tobo.
Tubutukanga.
Tubutukanga yo.
Tubutukanga.
Alaya dorodo.
Tubutukanga.
Rémi Lémon.
This new £69 powerful heater can heat any room in seconds without the big electricity costs.
La prochaine chanson de cet album très émouvant,
C'est Lusambu.
Lusambu, c'est la prière. Donc, nous, en Afrique centrale, surtout nous les Congos, parce que nous venons du Congo, nous sommes de l'ancien royaume Congo, nous avons notre manière de louer le Dieu qu'on appelle Zambi Mpungu, le Dieu puissant. Et là, nous l'implorons pour qu'il ait un œil de compassion pour le peuple Congo qui est un peu délaissé. Et c'est notre prière pour que ce peuple se réveille, retrouve ses valeurs, des valeurs d'humanité, d'amour. Voilà.
à vous, merci.
Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Fumu, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Fumu, Vanatunu, Tata webuzu, Umbaku yasemune, Wajambi dikandi desala okoma, Fumu Yalulendo, Gebidi bia biosono, Wayambiri kandi bia salamo koma. Bantu be munzayi, eberi wasara boso, Wayambiri kandi bia salamo koma.
Zambe yokongo na kosambela, mozali siwa dikolona se. Kembo na kombo na yo, mozali siwa bikela mo nyonso.
Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Fumu, Vanatunu. Bingi palembolo kimi numpasi mukota diosulu. Bimbe bobina yokanzambi kumeka bana bilugu. Ya osono bingana ke wasabio.
Kimbote Tatari.
Kimbote, how you doing?
I'm fine. You?
Pretty good.
You're alone.
Oh, wow,
today.
you got a beautiful house.
No, it's not me.
Oh, wait, no,
It's a
okay,
fake,
okay.
Fake background, yeah. Okay. Let me just greet the audience. If you're watching, welcome. We are Kikongo School online, Kikongo School. We are learning Kikongo. Gizambote, welcome. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, the DRC, and the Congo Republic of Congo, sorry. Gizambote, okay. Okay, sisters here. Kiambote, sister.
Kiambote.
Tutondele. Okay. We hope that Papa Tata David is coming and Tata Neda coming. Thank you for your time. I know it's early in Los Angeles. I think it's 9 o'clock now. 9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
9.
Oh, thank you. We have to honor our ancestors. Yeah. This is Africans, no? This is a philosophy, not theirs. These are we Africans. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Let me just share my phone. Yes. Can you see can you read my text, my file?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
Tutondele. Thank you very much. Tata Audi, if you can read for us, please.
Yes. Linda. When the auxiliary verb Linda can is used in a negative clause in reference to present or future time, the future in indefinite subjective is used negative. Lendi.
Oh, Tuton, Lendi. Can you try to pronounce it Lendi?
Lendi.
Oh, thank you very much. Lenda.
Lendi.
Lendi, thank you. Lenda. Lenda, as you can see, C-A-N, can. Yes. Let me just try to. Okay, we have an example there. Let me just move it. Here we have Ketulendi Kionatako. We can't carry it. I try to give you. Kwenda means, remember Tata Ari. Kwenda.
Wait, you want me to read something or you want me to?
No. I'm just asking you. There's a word, the verb. We have Kwenda and Quiza. Kwenda, Quiza. Remember? I'm just display. Don't worry. I'm going to display. Quiza. Quiza.
Quiza.
We have Kwenda, Quiza.
Oh yeah. To come or
well
not. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Give me 2 minutes. I need to delete something here. Yes, Kwenda to go, Quiza to come.
Right.
Yeah, Kwenda to go, Quiza to come.
Or not going to come, right? Or that's the other one, right? Or
okay, Kwenda to go, Quiza to come. Remember, in Kikongo we have a double negative, like in French. In French, n'est pas double negative. So we have K, depend, K-A-K, or as you can see on the screen, we have a K-E. K-E. When you have K-E or K-I, you have K-A, you have a co at the end, negative.
Right. Right.
Okay.
So it would start it would start negative and it would end negative with the
correct. Your verb sandwich, yeah, your verb in between can co, yes.
Right.
So Lendi, it is can't.
Cannot.
Right. Yes, cannot. Well done. Yes. Okay. Can you Kwenda to go? I can't go. I can't go.
Okay. Using
Okay.
or
Key.
reading this or using
Yeah, using
using
Lendy,
that.
using Lendy, using Lendy. Lendy is before your verb. You have your key from the left is the co at the end of the sentence. Yes. Your first
Okay, so
word.
read this or make up my own.
You yeah, make your own sentence. I mean, negative. You have Lendy. Yeah.
Okay.
Remember, Lendy is your auxiliary. Yes. Can't.
Okay.
Then followed by the verb.
So can I say key
Well done.
Lindy key
Yes. Yes. Well done. Yes.
Natako?
Kilendi, well done. Then your verb, go again, go back, come back again, do it again, please. Ki, yeah? Kilendi,
Okay,
yes.
can I key Lind? Oh, that's right. Key Lindy
Kwenda, yes.
Quenda. Oh,
Ko.
that means I can though. Okay.
Kwenda, yes. Kwenda.
Okay, so key Quenda.
You were fine. Just Kilendi Kwenda ko.
Okay.
I can't
Kilendi
go.
Quendako.
Yes, I can't go. Yes. Yes, sister. Yeah? Is it clear?
Yes, but you could say Kilindi Quizako, right?
Correct. Yes. Quiza to come. Yes.
Just meaning I cannot come.
Yeah, Kilendi Quiza. Remember, Lenda is
Can.
Lenda becomes Lendi in negative. Yes.
Right. Can
Now,
to cannot.
Yes, I can ask you a question. Lenda Quiza, can you come? Lenda Quiza, Lenda Kwenda. If you're not going, you just say.
So I can respond back and say key Linda meaning that I can come. Wait, key Quinza Linda key Linda Quinz wait key Quinza Linda.
Kilendi.
Oh, Linda means I can't come.
Yeah, my question was Lenda Quiza. Lenda means CAN. Yes, but you answer.
All right, can.
You cannot. It is Lendi.
Okay, so key Lindy Linda wait Quenda. Yeah.
Yes, Quenda to go. Kilendi.
Kilindi Quenda Kinatako.
Kilendi Kwendako. Yeah, Kilendi
Quendako.
Yeah. Cambote, Tata David.
Cambote.
Cambote, Tata David.
Cambote.
Cambote.
Is it clear, Sister Candice?
Yes, it's clear because you said Linda Quiza, and he would say Kilinda Quindako.
Lendi, be careful. Lendi, my question is positive, your answer is negative, which is you using Lendi, cannot.
Okay, so your question was Linda Quiza.
Yes.
And the answer is Kilindi Quindako.
Okay, let us use the verb Quenda, yes, to go. Linda Quenda, can you go? Then if you're negative, say Kilindi Quendako. Yes?
Yeah, Kilindi Quindako.
Yes. Tata David, you okay, Tata David? Okay. Is there, you can see, you can see on the screen, you have a Ketulendi Kionatako, cannot, or it's Kalendi Vavaroka. That's good. Let me just give me 1 minute. Kalendi Vovako. Ka first person Kilendi, second Kulendi, third Kalendi. This says Zola means want, love. Account, hold. Quiza to go. Okay. K-U-K-A-K-A, K2, K2. Yeah.
Write that down.
Okay. Okay, are you okay with this?
Banzu, there's your sound is a little fuzzy.
My sound. Oh, sorry. Let me just. Oh, it's gone. I lost my mic. Oh, sorry. I lost my mic. I did drop it.
Yeah.
Should be okay now.
Much better.
Oh, yes. Are you okay with this, Tata David?
Yes. There's just a lot going on. I'm sorry it took me so long to get to you today. But I did get your message about class not resuming until the 8th.
Yes.
So, yes.
Thank you. No, okay. Kediambuka. Tata read Nengwa Cadence. Are you okay? Can you see the first person? I don't have my pointer. This is not the first person. When we're talking negative, first person is ki, second ku, ka, katu, kalu, kaba, okeba. Yeah, you can't go, we can't go, I can't go, you can't go, she can't go, we can't go.
So I have a question.
You go ahead, please.
So the bottom one's kaketu, we can't go, kakelu, and then kakiba. Do you have to say kaketu, or is it katu or ketu?
Well done, yeah. Either K2 or Kat, yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It depends on the variant. I mean, I don't know how to define it, but well done. Yes. Keep this in mind. I'm going to test you now. Key. We have a key. This is very tricky, you know. Well, you see this key. I don't have the proper pointer. See the K-I. You have a key. K-I key. Twins with ko at the end, the other extreme right. At the same time, the I on this key is your first person. Yes? First personal pronoun, first person. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yes. When I say Kilendi Kwizako, it's me. I mean I. If you say Kulendi Kwizako, you single. Kalendi Kwizako, him, her. Katulendi Kwizako, oh, Ketulendi Kwizako. Are we okay? Yes? I'm going to test you. That's how yes? Sure? Yeah. Let me just. Yes. Where's my. Let me just display it again. Quiza to come. Sorry, Tata Dave, I'm blocking your face. Let me try to remove this. Maybe. Same thing. I'm just going to remove. Yes. Quiza. Quiza to come. Kwenda to go. He can't come. Nengwa Cadence. He can't come. We're using Lendi, of course. We're using Lendi, please.
Okay.
Are you asking me or Ardre?
Nengwa Cadence, please. Sorry, it is Nengwa Cadence. Sorry.
Okay. So you're saying he cannot go.
Yes, he can't go. Yes, no, he can't come. Quiz has to come. Sorry. Using Lenda. So using Lendi, of course.
Okay, Katu, Lendi, Quizzical.
This is your first plural. We need third, please.
I know it's Katu.
Yeah.
Lendi.
Keep the car. Then just keep the
No,
car.
the Ketu is not present in this one.
Katu is your first plural, but use a car and Lendi Quizzical. He can't come.
Oh, okay. Kalendi Quizzical. Okay, I see.
Yes.
All right, I got it.
Yes. Let me not try to display it again. You're doing well. I mean, it's not easy. I mean, it's easy for the native. They just take it for granted, but to learn it, hard. I'm learning by teaching. I'm learning because okay, we can't blame our fathers, but we're used to oral transmission. So if someone didn't hear well, they can't teach it well. I mean, they can try to teach, but one word will not work. Yeah. Give me a minute. I need to display something quickly. You need to understand. This is very, very important. Where's my phone? Let's stop this one. You're doing well. This is a very classic Congo classic. There, yes.
Right.
Yeah, this key is I. I mean, that by coincidence is your I in English. Yeah, your first person.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
The ku is you.
You don't say that. Yeah, of course you're right. Yeah, ku you at the same time. Let me just give me 1 minute, sorry, brother. Yeah, you're right. It is a bit confusing. Okay, we have a key. Your verb here. Always your verb, then ko. Plug in negative, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Plug in negative, then your ko, so on, yes. Yes, I want this. We need to master this. Very important. You're doing well, yes. Yes, okay. Get this, very important. We have key and ko. Yes, your verb in between. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We're using Lendi. Remember using Lendi?
Right.
First person, you. I can't come. Yes, please.
Sounds like you're losing your mic again.
You are right. I'm sorry. Should be okay now. Go ahead, please.
Ki Lendi Quizzical.
Bravo, well done, yes. He, her, she, he can't come. Is there, you can see it.
Go to the next. So go to the next one.
Yeah, he can't come. He can't come.
Okay. Well, that would be
you have it there. You can see it. It's there on the screen.
Mm-hmm.
Third singular.
Ka Lendi Quizzical.
Bravo, yes. Yes, sister. Over to you, sister. They can't come, please. Third plural, yes.
I guess it's Kalindi
Third
Quizzical.
plural. Third plural. Ka is third singular. We need third plural, please.
I'm not sure which one you're referring
The
to.
last one.
Ka?
Yes,
Like
Kaba.
Kalindi?
Kabalendi.
Oh, I have
You
to
did
say
it.
both. Kabalindi.
Yeah.
I didn't know I was supposed to say both. Kabalindi Quizzical.
Yes, correct. You need. Sorry, confused. It's me. You need to. This is your negative. You take all of these, yes, for your plural. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, for the plural, take all of these. Yes. Just stick with the car. You could say K too, but just stick with car too. Okay. I think I just leave my file there. Okay. Remember what is the first Saturday? Can you help? I've already given the answer hint. We're going now for pronoun of insistence. What is the first one? Remember, we have ame, aku,
Andi,
eto,
Eto,
eno, au.
Au.
Pronoun of insistence. Sister, remember, we're adding a prefix. The prefix is what's the prefix?
Ami, Aku, Andi, Ito, Eno, Awu.
Yeah, these are the suffixes. We to make your.
Oh, the prefixes.
Yeah,
You mean ki, ku, ka, katu, kalu, kaba?
Sorry, forget about this for the time being. We just focus on this one. We're making. How do you make your pronoun of insistence? You add your prefix should be kw. Remember kwame.
Right.
Kwa.
Right.
You just say kw.
Oh, okay, I see what you mean.
KW. You knew that. You know that. No. So KW.
Right. Kwame, Kwaku.
Correct,
Kwandi.
bravo. Yes. Yes. These are your pronouns, sister. Just add before KW before all of this. Are we clear, Tata David? Okay. We are going to use Lendi and the pronoun of insistence. How do you say, I can't come at all?
Yeah, you would say
using Lendi.
Kwame Lendi
You're using Lendi. Your first negative. Your first is, remember the twin, double negative. Your negative starts with a K-I-K-A.
To be matched, yes.
Quizzer, to come, I can't come at all. We're using Lendi and insistence is there.
Ki Kwame Lendi Quizzical.
I had something different.
Go ahead, sister. Thank you, David.
Mine is probably wrong, but I had Kilendi Quiza Kwame Ko.
Bravo, yeah, well done.
No, you're right.
Oh, okay, so that is right.
Your Lendi before your verb, pronoun of insistence after a verb. Yes. Tata Audrey, are you there?
Yeah.
You are not.
I'm just writing. I was just writing.
You are not. Down. You are not out of the hook. Yes, I can see. so Quizza. Now Quizza is to go Kwenda. Now we are using Kwenda to go. Tata Audrey first person. Remember negative key always key. I mean first person. Tata Audrey, can you try?
key.
I can't go at all. We're using lendi, kill. Then you lendi before your verb, your pronoun of assistance after the verb.
Okay. Key, Lindy, quizzical.
This use the verb to go. Yeah, well done. To go meaning kwenda, kilendi.
Oh, so I can go.
Yes, but you using.
Oh, okay.
You're using the pronoun. Using two things here. Using lendi and one of the pronoun of assistance. Because
Okay,
we mean I can't go at all.
Key, Lindy, quamico.
Well, you're missing a verb.
Oh, okay. Key, Lindy, queasy comico.
Well done. Lendi quiza kwameko. This tends to come. Yeah, I can't come at all. Sister, is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, let's say, okay, third person, she can't quiz her to come. She can't come at all. Everything is on the screen.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, please, sister.
Oh.
Third, yes. Everything's on the, is there?
Katu Lendi Quiza Quandico.
Third singular. Third singular. Yeah, ka, good, ka, yeah. Ka.
So it's Kalendi. Kalendi Quiza Quetoco. That's probably wrong.
No, this one, the third one. Quandico.
Oh, Kalendi Quiza Quandico.
Yes, she can't come at all. Tata David, them, they can't come at all.
Okay. Kilendi. Wait a minute.
Third plural. Remember, we have this is first plural, second plural, using both syllables.
Right. And them would be Kalu.
Third plural. Kalus is second.
That's second plural. Okay, yeah. Kilendi, Kaba, Kwenda,
Kabalendi. Kabalendi.
Kabalendi,
Kwenda,
Kwaluko.
Kwauko, yes.
Kwauko.
Yes. Thank you very much. I know it's not easy. Let me just try to. Okay. I'm just to include this. Lendi here, Lendi, then pronoun of insistence. Just put small c, small I. Yes. Lendi before the verb, pronoun of insistence after the verb. Is it confusing?
A little.
A little. Okay, let me delete this. You don't need to remember this. Okay. We are not coming at all. Sister, please. First plural, we are not coming at all. We can't come at all. We can't come at all.
Kilendi Quiza.
Katu.
We, okay.
Katulendi
Quiza. Queto.
Go. Bravo, yes. Well done. Tatari, over to you. Second plural. You many can't come at all. Kalulendi.
Kalulendi.
Quiza. The verb.
Quiza.
This
And
one, this one. Bravo, yeah. Yes. Well done. I think we understand it. Yes. Any questions, sister? It's just we need to apply it. I mean, to keep doing it.
Right.
Any questions on this? Katulendi. Remember, negative plural is katu, kalu, kaba. Remember tutondele. When you say tutondele, I mean us. If I say lutondele, you many are thankful. Yeah, are you there? Yes. Yeah. Is that David?
Yes.
Yes.
Tutondele. Tonda is the verb. Yes. Tonda. To thank. Yes. Okay, we have 20 minutes. I'll quickly go back to try to display my. Where is the coffee? Okay. Yeah, this one. Thank you very much. Well done. Yes. Let me try to. Oh, where's my file not moving? Okay, the other side. Okay. Yes. Just keep in mind, Lendi, Kilendi. Yes. Kulendi, you. Did you take note? You want me to display that? Is there? Can you? Have you written down?
Yeah.
This is very important.
I have it written down. Sometimes I just get confused looking at my own notes.
Yeah.
No worries, no worries. Yes. Yeah, you have this. Let me just try to display another file. Quick one. Yes. You're doing well, Tata.
Did you send Ardre and Candace the worksheet on Lenda that I know you sent to
I think I did.
a while back?
Okay, I'll send it again to Tata.
Yeah, no, I don't think I received it.
Did you receive it?
I know that's helpful. That's helpful.
Yeah, I don't think I did either.
Okay, remind me. I'm going to send. Sorry. Let me just share this one quickly. We finish in 10 minutes. Okay, we're just going to apply same principle. I mean, same grammar. Going to apply same rules. Singer. Remember, singer is will. Is your auxiliary, yeah? Like in English, singer is will. Lendi is auxiliary as well. Yeah. I'm going to ask a tricky question. Yeah, to eat. Yes, remember. So my computer is freezing. We have Kisinga, Ki, double negative. Yeah, we call yes. At the same time, the small I there on Ki is your personal pronoun. You, your first person. We are going to use Lendi and Kwame Kwaku pronoun assistance. That David, if you can ask that question to that sister Nengwa Candace. Your answer, sister, is using Lendi and insistence. That David, please.
Okay. Onge osinganchie.
Thank you. Ve, yes.
Ve, Kisinga, Didiako.
Yeah, correct. Yeah. Now, if you can use Lendi instead of
Kisinga?
Yeah, you still keep your key always there. Kiko, nega, they go together. Please.
Ve.
Usually Lendi, no?
Ve, Kilendi, Didiako.
Well done, yeah, Kilendi, yeah, well done, yeah. Now your insistence, your lendi before your verb, your pronoun of insistence comes after the verb, please.
So ve Kilendi Kasinga Dija Ko.
Remember, Singa is auxiliary, lendi is auxiliary also. You don't use both, yes?
So it's ve Kilendi Dija Ko.
Yeah, Kilendi Diako, correct, Kilendi Diako. But something is missing after the verb, insistence. Kilendi Dia. That's how we. Kilendi Dia. Something is missing after the verb. I mean, I can't eat at all.
Kwameko.
Well done, yes. I know you knew it.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Tata, are you okay? Questions?
No, I'm just trying to get it down.
Okay. Tata David, you ask question about third person, yeah? Third party, yeah? Asking. I'm not going I'm not giving you the answer, so just put it in English. Is she going to eat? Yes. Is she eating?
Okay. Kasinga Jie.
Sorry, one minute. Good, Tata David, but you missed your. Okay, I understand the logic. Yeah, third person, but in this case, Osinga, we just keep OO.
We keep the O?
Yes.
Okay.
Because we're using sing as auxiliary, yes. I think this is the rule, but I'm not really sure.
Okay, you're saying that, wait, what person? Wait,
sorry?
Is she going to eat?
Yeah,
okay.
Tata David, you missed something. Ongeye, you one, you single, but you use this is Kikong, we use twice the pronoun, personal pronoun. This is pronoun, the O is pronoun, personal pronoun as well. Here, ngeye, you, personal pronoun, yes. Tata David, can you, third person here, third singular? We're talking about someone, yes?
Mm-hmm.
I know you know that.
Yeah. Well, for
just remember
for third person singular, that would just be ka for him or her. Yes.
Yeah, that's what
I understand. I know it's confused, but in this case, think about the ame, aku, andi, eto, eno.
Oh,
so,
okay.
First is
right. So that would be andi.
Well done. Oya andi, yes, oya andi.
Mm-hmm.
First, I mean, it's not easy because I think we have 3 types of personal pronoun. Yes. I mean, for a verb, no. You understand what I'm trying to say? Ongeye, in this case, as first me, I would say first person, omono, ongeye, oyandi, third person. So Tata David, you go ahead, please. Oyandi. Question, please.
Yeah. Oyandi osinga jie.
Well done, yes. Now, easy answer, Tata Audi, you use ka, yeah, for the third singular.
Yeah.
Ve.
Wait, vebe.
No, you okay. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You can drop the ve, yeah. Ve, you can keep the drop, yeah.
Ve,
ka,
ka.
We use lendi, yeah. Kalendi, yeah.
Kalendi.
Dia.
Dia. Andiko.
Kwandiko. Well done, yeah. Well done. You did well. You just missed the prefix of Andy for your pronoun insistence.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're fine. Sister, question.
No questions.
Intriguing, no? Let us move to the next one. Yes. Ongeye. Ongeyo singa kosoke. Ongeye.
Are you going to sit
Dr.
down?
David, question to you. You many. Take note. Dr. David asks question. You many. Then your answer will be you. We. Your answer. So
Okay.
Dr. David asking the sister. You many. Yes.
Are you many going to sit down? That one? Okay.
Yes. Kikongo, yes. Just
Uh,
remember, Ame Aku Andy. I'm giving you a hint. Ame Aku Andy Eto Eno. How?
Eno.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Ongeye is you, but we need the first, second plural, please.
Right.
Yeah, let me just help. We just removing NGE. Yeah. Oyeno. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oyeno.
Right. Oyeno.
LU here, second plural as well.
Yeah.
Oyeno
Lusinga.
Kosoke.
Lendi. Kosoke.
You asking the question. You don't want to tell the, just asking the question. Oyeno Lusinga Kosoke.
Oyeno Lusinga Kosoke.
Yes. Thank you very much. Then, sister, you answer. We many. We can't sit at all. Can't sit down at all.
There.
Katu, yes.
Wait a minute.
You keep going. Yeah, you're right. I'm just trying to help. Ve Katu, yes.
Ve Katu Singa.
Yeah, we're using
Koso-
Lendi, yes. We're using Lendi, please. Ve Katu Lendi, yes.
Ve Katu Lendi.
Kosoka.
Kasinga. Kosoka. Kwenoko.
Katulendi is sorry?
I said Ve Katulendi Kosoka Kwenoko.
Well done. Just miss one thing. Kwetoko, yes. First.
Oh, Kwetoko.
First plural.
Okay.
Yeah. Ooh. I think we
I
should
know.
stop there. You learn in proper grammar, you know. Yeah. No, it's not easy. I mean, you are brave, you know. You are alive. People are watching you.
Right.
I wouldn't dare, you know. I wouldn't dare if it was not my language. Someone at home say, "Oh, come on, just say this." Okay, we're breaking for Christmas. We're coming back on 8th of January. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Tutondele, tuyangalele. Enjoy your break. Tutondele. Nwenda Kiambote.
Tutondele.
Tutondele.
Sala Kiambote.
Tondele. Sala Kiambote.
Tutondele.
Ekietu yangani kawauko iwau bongole meso mwene isibudi matu umwidi ikonzo dienu Yeno luvovanga vo kongo diafwa Yeno luvovanga vo kongo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi mbikansi kongo diatungwa Vanga vo kongo diafwa Keno luvo vanga vo kongo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi mbikansi kongo diatumba
Pipa narra uma história que tá gravando na minha memória África foi sempre linda, o nosso berço da humanidade Havia muito renato, havia muita felicidade Vivíamos dentro da lei Palo do reino do Congo, linha Lukeni era o rei Habitava em Banda Congo, em companhia do outro rei Pode chamar de Zodila, se esquecendo uma máquina pra vida Nos chama de Yalangu, carrego o Culumbimbi Essa imagem me identifica Banda Congo, a minha terra, a minha mãe, o meu coração Olha que nos fala mal, mas nos liberta da maldição Origem de todos pra Congo, como diz o velho ditado Do malogrado de talento, eu irei devoltar
vangabo Congo diafa Kenulu vangabo Congo diafa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kuru bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi mikansi Congo diatumba.
Sou tipo Sócrates, tudo que vou fazer hoje ficará marcado na memória. Se o jogo já está no fim, agora chega, vou vos dar vitória. Que Mavunga é minha terra, banda sagrada para todo mundo. Para o vosso consciente, cortei a corrente, voltei bem quente e diferente. Instalei um circuito fechado, muitos tentaram, lhes deu errado. Como diz o belo ditado, a Congo não falha, mas sim atrasa. Tata, moana, é só pai, então não se engana. Se o poder não se dá, a cultura banto não se esquece. Terra do mano em Totila, quem conhece Nini e Alukeni. Ou melhor, Zinganguvu, Mama Kimpavita. Terra dos assimilados, Afonso I, Simão Kimbangu, Fulumbinga, Lando Vitor, Antônio Dembo, Tetelando, Tabessa Manguana. Terra de Makuta Nkondo, Yannick Ngobo e Tatangana. Onde fica mercado do Luvo, Columbimbi e o Yalanku. Pedra do Fidizo e também a ponta do padrão. Os falos de Mbanta Congo, patrimônio mundial da cultura. General sem passadores. Mapuntuala, Tata Mandila Massanda. Moana Cassandra de Mbau, que mafundo, uasa.
Kenulu vangabo Congo diafa Kenulu vangabo Congo diafa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kuru bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi mikansi Congo diatumba.
Vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, venha conhecer o patrimônio, venha conhecer o Culumbimbi em Banza onde está.
Agradecemos a todos aqueles que preservam a cultura nacional. A sua excelência governador da província do Zaire, ao conselho de ancião e o seu responsável do Lumbo, Afonso Mendes, Papá Matalulu, Farmácia Salaquaco, chefe de Bete, a FEPRO, elenco do 6, do Butulama todo, com Butamuto Socorro.
Vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, venha conhecer o patrimônio, venha conhecer o Culumbimbi em Banza onde está.
Maputo.